All right, so by now you guys know who Billie Bars is, and if you don't know, they're the same company who makes this bad boy right here. This is the bed rack. It's designed to go on my Toyota Tacoma, but I've got it mounted on the Kayak camping trailer. It's what I use to mount my CVT rooftop tent to. It's the bed rack with the molly panel. Everybody always asks questions about it because I believe it's the only one on the market that looks like this. It's aluminum, it's got the T-track system. Hands down, they have the best design for a low profile bed rack on the market. And that same company who designed that bed rack just designed and dropped a new product, and it don't go on the top of the truck, it goes in the bed of the truck. So today they sent me one, we're gonna unbox it, install it, I'm gonna show you how cool it is and tell you how you can get one. Stick around. All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's TJ. Welcome to Kayak USA. So these past few years, with the pandemic that's going on, there's been more and more people getting into the truck camping, the kayak camping. Heck, I'm building a kayak camping trailer right now out of a utility trailer, and it just, people are getting into it. They wanting to get outside, go to nature. Everybody's sick of being locked down or can't really go anywhere or see people. So that's been everyone's way of getting out of the house. So overlanding kind of took off, truck camping, rooftop tents kind of blew up these past couple of years, and it's got more and more products being put on the market by better and better companies that can make it and put it out to people like us who just want to go camping. And that's where a company like Billie Bars comes into play. Heck, just a few years ago, Billie Bars didn't exist, and now they have the best low profile bed rack on the market. And they just dropped a new product and they're testing the waters with different stuff. And today I'm going to show you what they built, shipped out. I believe I might have the only one, but they now have a tailgate cover that is designed to go on the inside of your tailgate for people who like to camp like me. When we go camping and I have the tent on the truck and we've got the roof and the annex and all that stuff built onto the truck, we've even got the bed set up now with our pull out fridge slide and stuff like that. We like to cook and stuff right off the tailgate of the truck, and there's a few products on the market already that, you know, other people have made with plastic flat replacement things back here that you can just swap it out and put it in, and those work. But Billie Bars, just like they did with their bed rack, they kind of took it a step further, and let me show you what they designed. This is what Billie Bars comes up with. This is a solid aluminum. Let me see if I can get you a close-up. It's even got their logo built into the mat. This is solid aluminum. And this is designed to bolt right in and replace the bed tailgate cover on the inside of your tailgate. So there's no drilling required, no nothing like that. We're just gonna pull the screws out, take this plastic one off and pop this one down. And what Billie Bars has done different than the rest of the market is theirs is made out of aluminum, thick aluminum. It's got the pad on it. It's a two-tone pad. It's got black and gray with our logo in it. It's got dual cup holders back here. But if you ever got to crawl in the back of your truck, like if you've got to get up under something to get something that slid to the, the cab of your truck, if you ever done it and you put your knees on the tailgate, sometimes it just kills my knees. I don't know if I'm getting old or what, but it'll kill my knees. With something like this is gonna come in handy. If I gotta jump in here and climb back there, I'm not gonna ruin the top of my kneecap trying to do it. So today it's gonna be an easy install because they made it so simple to use and so easy to pop in there, and it's such high quality. It's actually gonna be better quality than what I'm taking out, the actual factory tailgate cover. So I'm gonna pop the screws out real quick. We're gonna pop this in and I'll give you guys some close-ups and show you how it works. Make sure it doesn't interfere with the track system on the fridge and stuff like that. So let's pop this old one out and pop the new one on. All right, I figured I'd get you guys a close-up real quick. That logo is kind of cut into the fabric. That is really cool, but you can kind of see how thick this padding is. And what's really cool about this padding is, I think it's the same kind of padding, I'll show you real quick, that we installed the marine mat padding, that really good stuff that we put on my kayak. It looks like the exact same kind of stuff. The two-tone, you know, mine on my kayak is gray on top, black on bottom. This is black on top with the gray trim all the way around it on the bottom. So here's the cup holders. They're nice and deep, nice and wide cup holders. Nothing interfered with anything on the inside, and look how much cooking surface we have now. So I grabbed my stove here, give you guys a reference on how nice this is actually going to be. Check that out. So we'll be able to have cup holders built in, little flat area for that. Now here's the test. Let's see. Is my fridge gonna, oh yeah. Look at that, look at that. I love it. Would you just look at it? I absolutely love it. This thing is awesome. I love it when companies like Billie Bars starts designing other stuff and putting their spin on it, because you end up getting some really good high quality product like this. You know, I think it's little mods like this that make such a huge difference when you go out camping and you're in the field, or, you know, in the woods or whatever you're doing. It's little stuff like this that can make such a big difference. Like just having a padded area, a flat, smooth area for us to cook and prepare our meals and stuff on is going to be awesome. Check this out too. I wanted to show y'all. This is a Billie Bars koozie they sent me. And what's really cool about it, this is a full drink. Watch this. It's got built-in magnets on the side. When I opened up the package, I was like, what is that? And then I noticed it's magnets, and it's actually covered in a fabric so it won't scratch up whatever you put it on. But that is actually a full beverage. So whatever you're drinking, if you've got like one of those metal chairs and you don't have a cup holder or something, you can just stick it straight to it and have somewhere to hold your drink. But this is this tailgate cover is going to be awesome. You can kind of see how big the cup holders are with that drink in there. Actually, you can put some of them big water bottles in there and it'll hold it just fine. We got plenty of space to cook on now. I love this thing. If you're interested in getting you one, I'll have it linked below. I think they are released to the public. I think you can buy them. At the time this video goes live, you should be able to get them on their website. So check out the link in the video description. Check them out on Instagram. I'm going to take some pictures and send over to them. I share a lot of photos and stuff with them, so you can check them out on Instagram. Check me out on Instagram at Kayak USA. I upload videos here. Next week we're going to be back working on the kayak camping trailer. Got some cool stuff in this week. We're finally going to get to doing the rims and the tires and some cool stuff like that. So check me out. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next Thursday at 2 o'clock. Peace.